Hey guys, so I am finally back to give a better review, and it's gonna be the first review I'm gonna do on this ice cream sandwich Alpha 9 build, and it's gonna be fun to do because this one is much better than Alpha 7. It has transparency working. You can see the wallpaper in the background. You can change the brightness. You have quick widgets here that you usually would have when you drag there from the top, but you don't have it right now. You can also see my carrier down there. You can see the date up here, and you can see this kind of blue theme. Oh, that's kind of cool. So you have settings up here when you just tap up here. Okay, so this is the new settings. Wi-Fi toggle on off on the side here. Very simple. And then we can just click on Wi-Fi. You can see what we are connected to. Add network, scan. Simple, more clean. Bluetooth. I'm not sure if the Bluetooth is working, but data usage, that's one of my favorite features. You can see the data usage basically. And that's good if your carrier have a limit, data cap. Not sure if sound works. I suppose sound is going to work. Okay. Still some UI glitches. I think you can call and text also with this Alpha 9 build that I already have a video on how you can go ahead and install it. 22 minutes on battery. Storage. What else? Display. Auto rotate screen, wallpaper. Live wallpaper is kind of cool. Let's try out this one. Set wallpaper, go back. We have brightness, just like that. I don't have automatic brightness turned on. Font size, if you want bigger, if you are blind. I'm not sure if that's something new, but I don't think so. If you go down to about phone, we can see here basically that for Windows 0.1, my baseband version and my kernel version, and the build number. If you go up here, system updates, you can quickly check for new updates. I'm not sure if I have internet. You can also see my carrier, some quick stats, my IP address, Wi-Fi MAC address, uptime. Just feels like a more professional OS with this Android 4.0 build. It's insane. I think also they've added much more developer tools. Can turn on USB debugging as usual. Data time. What else? Security. And also this, when you bump into the walls, it makes more sense now with that thing. It looks much better than that TouchWiz UI. So I hope that many TouchWiz, it should just disappear. Everyone should run stock Android, I think, because it's gonna be bananas. Location services, apps, no apps, battery. Oh yeah, I've already been checking that out. Click on more. Airplane mode, tethering, portable, Wi-Fi direct, mobile networks. If you go down here, also as you can see, we had this new live wallpaper. You could see this clean kind of widget up here on the top, and it seems like you can't edit them right here. Okay, if you hold down, you get that thing up and pop in. But it seems like I can't move this down. Okay, let's try out the mic. Speak. Okay, voice search. Okay, voice search. I don't think the mic is working. Quickly toggle between stuff. That's the GPS, I suppose. Brightness, I already showed you. That's something. Could be the screen rotation. We have Bluetooth. I turned that off. And also, obviously, we have Wi-Fi there on the side. You have my apps and widgets. I can sign into my Google account. Not sure if that's gonna work though. Feels a lot, or obviously it's just like a Galaxy Nexus that is already out. Let's go ahead and try to sign in. I'm just gonna type it in here. And the keyboard feels so much better. Feels a lot like Apple's keyboard. And then the password, I'll show you guys that. Okay, sign in. I'm not sure if the internet's gonna work. Okay, so obviously sound does work. Someone wants to chat with me. Okay, I don't want to chat with him. Accept. You can see that I have this new large big font. I think I should change back to a smaller one. But you know, I'm not sure if apps is going to work as awesome. Also, I'm gonna change up the font again. That font was way too big. So this is the new on the side, system settings. It's, you know, very easy to, you know, find stuff. Where was it? Did I click on more? Could it be on display? Yes. Normal. Okay, that looks so much better. I think it's just because of my internet that doesn't load, you know, those, or it could be a glitch. Games. Who wants to talk with me? Random. I don't want to talk. Okay, so that's the app. It doesn't seem to work that awesome. Obviously we can move this around. Wow, wait, it's a big box. Okay. Also, this is one thing that I noticed is that this Google thing on the top, it follows on every single screen. Some people might hate that, but I think that's kind of neat. Because that's something I use all the time. Okay, search for something. Google something. Or YouTube. You search on the internet. Signing into Google sites. I don't want to sign into stuff. Oh my god. There we go. And I also think that they've cleaned up the browser a bit, so you know it looks more clean on the side. Oh, cool. Oh, that was really cool. So the internet seems to be kind of down. I'm just gonna go ahead and fix that. 2 seconds.